Hello guys, my name is Deepak and you are watching my channel The Tough Heart IG Deep. So today I will talk about some quotes and about life journey. Third is be smart and be strong, be brave, be helpful, be grateful, be talented, be powerful and be unstoppable. And 11th is don't mind people different me and do mind they become angry because I'm different from them. Okay, then 13th is it does not matter where you are going, it's who you have beside you. Some quality time with friends is the only therapy you need. If your heart has peace, nothing can disturb you. Sometimes journey teaches you lot about your destination. Certainty is fear will not rule my life anymore. 18th is real depression is when you stop loving the things you love. 19th is nothing happens until you decide to make it happen. Yeah, care with no reason and love with no expectation. And mistakes have the power to turn you into in better. It's nice to have someone ask how was your day. Never put your key of your happiness in someone's pocket. And another is time has a wonderful way of showing us what matter. In the midst of darkness light persists. Who lack of courage will always find a philosophy to justify it. Act with kindness but not expect gratitude. I stay humble because I never forget my struggle. Real growth when you start check and correct yourself. Sometimes we need to thank God for what did not happen with us. So here we check some chords, my favorite chords about here. So let's start. Uh, be smart in your life. We need to smart work in our life. Who really need when you work, you have some mentality to smart work in your life or in your daily day. So smart work is important. Strong, be strong with every work, every need, every portion, every study, every education, every situation is important that you need to thank, you need to strong in every situation. Brave, bravery is important in our life. If you brave, you can face every phase of situation and every difficulties you face by bravery. So brave is important in your life. Helpful, sometimes we need, sometimes helpful things is important. When we give our help to others, they go up and they go up and they trust us and they go for another level. And we have sometimes some types of respect we earn and we go up in our eyes and in our mind, in our heart. So this is important to say that helpful is is a choice, or it is quality of ours. Grateful and talented. Talent, if you have talent, if you use your talent in your work, then this is the best thing. You choose your way and you choose your thought, your talking, your communication, your everything. You put your talent in your work, you will succeed definitely. So put your talent with your work, and you feel grateful when you help and when you share your thoughts and help other person. You feel grateful for it. Powerful, always be powerful. So for powerful reason, you need to read lot and read every part of books and understand what books want to say you. So if you have power to understand everything, every part, every education by you, then you will be powerful for it, and you success in your life. You find your way and you find your everything. You just go and find this thing, that you are powerful than others. Don't don't mind with negativity. Negativity is just a word, just negative in your mind. So please don't go for negativity and accept negativity of others. So please go and make it happen with your powerful way. Do mind they become angry at because I'm different from them. Don't mind people different me. Every person not same. For every person not same. Every person not same from 1 to 2 to 1. So we need to understand one person to second person, what he want to say or what he want to actually want. We never understand because they different from us, and he different from you. It's not matter where are the thing is, where are you going. It is not matter. The matter is where, who beside you. Actually sometimes sometimes uh, some person only helper help and go their way, and some person help and beside you, and that decide that you have, and decide that he decide that that person is your important person, and you can believe on this person. So yeah, it is important to act like you can do with the help of beside person, and you will find your best person, best friend in your life. Some quality time with friends, with only therapy. You need some quality time. If you have friends, then spend your time with your friends. Sometimes quality of time we spend with our person is the only therapy which we need. Actually, we are what we need. Yeah. If your heart has peace, nothing, no one can disturb you. If your heart is peace, then no one can disturb you. You can go where you want to go, where you want to, can do and can change it, and everything is possible. Can you do? So yeah, if you have if you have good heart and peace of heart, then you can do everything, and everything you can change by your powerful hands, by your powers. Sometimes journey teaches you a lot about your destination. Yeah, this is the points what I say. Sometimes the journey want to say, sometimes our journey says about what is our destination. This is the journey, and outside or inside, outside or inside, we can't see. So when we go for our journey, this journey give us lot of views, a lot of sadness, happiness, and another things. And this is all about the destination. What want to say, our journey is important part of destination give lot of things, and try to understand, try to give lots of things what we want to earn, and what we want to spend. Everything actually important in our life. Nothing happen until you decide. Nothing will happen until you decide you want to do this. Yeah, our decision is more important. Whenever we not decide that, yes, we I want to say, I want to decide these things. So yeah, important thing is we want to decide our journey, our destination, our success, our goal, and anything. Just go and just go. This is the decision. If you stay in one, if you stay in one destination, no, don't go and not decide. Don't try to decide what happen in another things, another way, happen another happens. So we need to do best our in our life. So yeah, our best decision is not to stop in one way, go for your next way, next level. So yeah, this is important to give your best in your life. And another things is fear. I talk about fear. Don't give don't give power to your fear to rule your body, your mind, your everything. Just go and finish this all rules of fear. Don't believe in that rules of fear. You can't do this, you can't go there, you can't succeed, and everything is better. You just need to courage happen, and best and better, and everything. You want to motivate you. Just go and finish the fear in your life. Fear, don't give power to fear. That fear is not a part of your life. Fear is only give you only less of power. This is this is leaves, this is less of power. So if you save, if you want to save your power, then don't give your power to your fear. Just go and finish this fear all the way, all the time. Just finish this. Real depression is when you stop loving the things. Real depression comes when you stop loving things. You are loving things and you feel anger always in your mind. So yeah, this is real depression in your life, when you stop loving your, what you want to do, what you want to say, what you want to happy. When you happy, when you go for it, just go, just go away. This is not your, this is not your depression. Just go and loving them. Just keep it and go for it, and just do what you want to do. Nothing happens until you decide to make it happen. Nothing happens until we decide what you want to do. Yeah, nothing will happen whenever, when you decide to do, decide to make it happen. Yeah, this is already I said, nothing can happen whenever we finish this. So for this for this we need to give our best, give our best. So when you give your best, nothing will control you, your work, your happiness, your sadness, everything. Just go for it. Care with no reason. If you like somebody, or your heart is very pure and no dirty things in your heart, so you help without greediness. So when you help without greedy things, so your heart will grateful and thankful to have. And you care with no reason, and you care people about with no reason. And another thing, love with no expectation. uh, if you love with no expectations, so this is the your respect in your heart, and respect your love love what you, who the person you love, you what type of person, who name not who the person you love him, and you respect them. And this is the way, when you learn this thing, respect is more important than, uh, all the things. So love without expectation is important in your life. So go for it. Mistakes have the power to turn it you in better. If you make mistakes in your life, one time you learn, don't go back and cry like a child. Just go better. Just go and do better next time. And these mistakes always remember, because this teach you where you was that time and what you learned from it. So yeah, this is important to say that mistakes is the best teachers of your life. So yeah, believe it and go for it. It's nice to have someone ask how was your day. When someone asks us how was your day, this feeling is more grateful in your heart, and this thing make you humble, kindness, and sometimes of mind is mindful mindful sometimes of lot of positivity comes in our body, in our area and phase of our powers. Yeah, so this is important. Some person ask us how was your day. Yeah, day is important, every moment is important. Yeah, so go for it. And another thing, it's nice to have someone ask how was your day. Never put your key of happiness in someone's pocket. Never put your key of happiness. Your happiness, don't give the power of happiness of someone pocket. This is important, that if you give your power, give your happiness key on someone pocket, they don't care about you, they don't care about your happiness, your sadness, what you feel. So the so this is just a lesson, that you don't give your happiness on another hand, or key your on their pocket. So you make your happiness, you make your kindness, your happiness on it, honesty, humble, everything. Just need it, that just need is just need is make your own happiness, make your own world, or of happiness, your positivity and your dreams, your stars, your moon, everything. Just go and make it happen. Time has wonderful way showing us what is matter for us. Time has wonderful way. Time has wonderful ways. They're showing us what is matter for us. Sometimes we help lot of people and they don't care about us, and this time show us what is matter for them and us. And you can see what people want to see, what people is important in our life, but time reveal this what matter in our life. So be careful in your life. Act with kindness and gratitude. No expect gratitude. If you want to if you do your work with kindness, and in return you don't want and you don't want gratitude, and this thing and these beautiful things is more important in our life. And this is sometimes this is drop level is drop, but when you do this level is up. So yeah, when you give your action with no gratitude, then you feel very beautiful and very good. I stay humble because I never forget my struggle. Yeah, this is important. I never forget my struggle. I I that's why I always humble and kind, because I never forget my struggle. So I always believe in work and with finishing, how to finish my work. So yeah, this is important. Real growth, when you start check and correct yourself. Real growth is important in our life. Always grow up. So when you grow up, you start and check and correct yourself. You start check and correct yourself is important. When you want real growth, check always where you wrong, where you stay, where you go. Just when you believe someone, just correct yourself and always check where you believe you. When you give your trust, always check this thing. Sometimes we need to thank God for what did not happen with us. Sometimes we need to thank God what happens with us, what did not happen with us. This is important. Sometimes to thank God. Thank God this did not happen with us. And new things is fear, some quality with different, it does not matter going on. Don't mind people different activity organize nothing. Yeah. So here is the end. Okay, then thank you. We meet you tomorrow. So take care and stay happy and spread positivity and lots of love spread in your life and your society, your way, your nation, everything. You just go for it and decide what you want in your life. Go for your aim, your everything, your aim, your destination. Just go for it and learn more things and more learn more things and solve more situation and collect your positivity, collect your points. Yes, so this is what I want to say. So yeah, this is the end, and here I say bye, see you later, and see you again, and see you tomorrow. So take care.